This is the new iQOO Neo 11 Ultra, and its display could be one of its biggest surprises. With a huge 9,100 mAh battery and Dimensity 9500M chipset, it already sounds powerful. But the real highlight is its claim of being the only genuine 2K ultra-wide display in its price range. So how good is this custom Visionox panel? Let's put it through professional testing and find out. Big thanks to my tech partner over in China for providing this footage. I really appreciate the support in making this video happen. Hey everyone, Stella here from techiestreet. If you're into staying updated with the newest gadgets, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our latest tech content. The model we're testing is the light white version. Its matte frosted rear feels light, smooth, and comfortable. The horizontal camera module also improves grip, especially when gaming in landscape mode. The aluminum alloy frame adds durability and helps reduce fingerprints and accidental slips. Its rounded edges also make this large phone easier to hold. Up front, there's a 6.83-inch display with a 4200 by 1440 resolution. It's a 144 Hz LTPS flat panel with a top-down pixel layout. The top and side bezels are just 1.24 millimeters, while the bottom is 1.74 millimeters. With 514 ppi, this is a true 2K display, delivering excellent sharpness and detail compared with many domestic brand phones. Even with the factory screen protector, reflectance measures 4.93%, while slow reflectance is 0.64%. After text is added, those figures improve to 4.53% and 0.36%. The new F2 substrate gives the display an impressive brightness range. In natural mode with standard color temperature, manual full screen brightness goes from just 0.9 nits to 833 nits. Enable accessibility features, including the professional mode for delivery and ride-hailing drivers. Full screen brightness reaches 1024 nits. So at night, even under a blanket, the screen can stay comfortably dim. Outdoors, it can become bright enough to remain readable in strong sunlight. That huge range shows Visionox's display expertise. HDR brightness is equally impressive. With a test window above 10%, peak full-screen brightness reaches around 2,000 nits. At 10%, it peaks at 3,239 nits, with full-screen brightness reaching 2,013 nits. Under strong lighting, the display improves EOTF performance across low and mid-gray levels. Higher color saturation also helps preserve visibility and readability outdoors. Eye protection is another major focus. The phone uses Cloud Polarization Display 2.0 and has TÜV Rheinland certifications for gaming and global eye protection. Spectral testing shows a 461 nanometer blue light peak, shifted toward red compared with the previous F1 technology. This is also one of the early displays using the new F2 technology. That helps reduce high-energy blue light. Only 16.26% of the 415 to 455 nanometer shortwave blue light remains, making up less than 5% of the full spectrum. That's strong hardware-level low blue light protection. Dimming is another area where iQOO has clearly focused. At low brightness, the default mode uses 2160 Hz high-frequency PWM, switching to LEDC around 45 nits. Through developer options, LEDC dimming can also be enabled across the entire brightness range. Testing shows extremely low SVM with both dimming methods. Even at low brightness, the default 2160 Hz PWM mode performs very well. At 2 nits, SVM is only 0.69. Before reaching the 45-nit switching point, it falls to just 0.14. For flicker-sensitive users, that's an excellent result. And because this is a performance-focused phone, motion clarity and touch response matter too. The iQOO Neo 11 Ultra uses the same C4 S3910V ultra-sensitive touch chip and gyroscope as the iQOO 15 Ultra. Officially, it supports up to 4,000 Hz synchronous touch sampling and 500 Hz multi-finger sampling. For motion graphics, the display supports up to 20K resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate. That combination delivers detail and smoothness comparable to high-end T1 class displays. High resolution is great, high refresh rate is great, but getting them both together, that's where the iQOO Neo 11 Ultra really stands out. From our hands-on testing, the display response is excellent. Whether tracking gameplay movements or aiming precisely, the screen reacts fast and accurately. But the real experience comes from Visionox's 2K ultra-high definition panel. With FL luminescent material and AMI-level high-resolution technology, 2K 144 Hz mode makes characters, textures, and highlights incredibly sharp. Even in fast scenes, ghosting is barely visible and motion stays incredibly smooth. High resolution, strong brightness, and vivid colors show how far domestic display technology has come. When iQOO's engineering meets Visionox's display expertise, gaming phone visuals can reach a whole new level. The FL material and uniform high-resolution technology also deliver excellent color accuracy. In natural mode, white point accuracy measured 2.2. Under the professional setting, gamma and UTF curves nearly overlapped, reaching the standard 2.2 value. Color testing was even more impressive. Average delta E was only 0.4, with a maximum deviation of 1.18. That means colors are reproduced with remarkable accuracy. Uniformity is another strength. On a full white screen, brightness and color remained highly consistent, with no obvious uneven areas. Even full-screen G38 grayscale performance was impressive, which benefits dark mode users. These results highlight the precision of Visionox's manufacturing process. Viewing angles are also strong. At normal angles, color shift is barely noticeable. Only at extremely wide angles does a slight yellow tint followed by a greenish shift appear. In everyday use, this is practically irrelevant. Overall, the iQOO Neo 11 Ultra's first F2-based 2K ultra-high-definition display performs extremely well in brightness, color accuracy, and eye protection. Right now, it sits among the top displays in its category. The FL material keeps high-energy blue light extremely low, while strong flicker control should make the screen more comfortable for users concerned about eye strain. And here's another major advantage. The brightness range is extremely wide. With brightness dropping to around 1 nit, nighttime viewing is comfortable. Meanwhile, the professional outdoor mode can manually push full-screen brightness to around 1,000 nits for delivery riders and ride-hailing drivers. Combined with automatic EOTF enhancement at high brightness, this helps solve a common outdoor problem, struggling to read orders or navigation in direct sunlight. So, the iQOO Neo 11 Ultra could be considered a benchmark for domestic smartphone displays, balancing brightness, clarity, color accuracy, eye protection, and everyday usability. Behind it is iQOO's years of technical development and display expertise. Its continued focus on core technology is pushing domestic smartphone displays toward a higher level. The base iQOO Neo 11 Ultra starts at 3,699 yuan in China, roughly 405 pounds in the UK, or $549 in the USA. And that's everything for this video. Which smartphone should I review next? Tell me in the comments or ask me if you need help choosing your next phone. Interested in the iQOO Neo 11 Ultra? Check the purchase link in the comments. Your purchase helps support the channel through a small sponsorship. If this video helped you, hit that like button and support the channel. I'm Tong Mon, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!